Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like videos about vegan food, travel, lifestyle, and art. Speaking about art, today I am visiting a Detroit art crawl, which is just like a bar crawl. You crawl to different art exhibits and galleries. So I'm excited about it because I'm not sure if they've done it before, but this is my first time hearing about it. So let's get it. Wow. This is African Bead Museum. Do you see this? I never knew that this existed. Wow. Wow.
Well, you know, that's in your body,
Wow. This is pretty cool. Now say hi to my camera.
I can't.
There you go. That's all I need. Wow.
It was like our soul train, basically.
Hey guys, I'm here with one of my favorite artists. I'm a huge collector of hers. You may have seen one of her paintings in one of my previous art vlogs with the velvet backing. I'll put the video here. But anyways, Jasmin Graham, how are we?
I'm amazing.
Okay, I got a couple questions.
I got a couple answers.
How long you been an artist?
I've been an artist officially my whole life, but when I started calling myself an artist was 2019.
Describe your style, because it's very unique.
I would say that my style is love. So I put love into all of my artwork, which means that it is bright,
Yeah.
vibrant. It's vibrant, it's beautiful, it's inviting, it's warm, it's colorful, it's love.
What are your favorite mediums?
My favorite mediums is whatever's calling to me at the time.
That's a true artist. That's a true artist.
But the ones that I practice the most are usually photography, collage, mixed media. I'm a writer, a poet, a storyteller. Follow me at _ Jasmin Graham on Instagram or stills2story or www.stillstostory.com.
There you go. Thanks, guys. Another art vlog.
When I did that piece, actually, I was
Okay, guys, that art crawl was awesome. That was my first time doing anything like that, and I would highly recommend. These are some of the wonderful finds I got. So these pieces right here are from the mixed media artist, Calloway. I really love these masks that I found. So I'm definitely gonna do like a little mask wall. And I just love how creative he is with all these different materials that he uses. The cool thing about this art crawl is that I got to see so many different artists like in one day. That was so cool. So these photos are from the artist, photographer, creative extraordinaire, Jasmin Graham. As y'all know from one of my previous art vlogs, I already have some of her photography and collage work in my collection, but I just really love these original photographs by Jasmin. I ended the art crawl at this art auction, which was amazing. I've never been to an art auction before or participated in one. This is my first one. I walked around first and identified 3 pieces that I wanted, and this is one of them. And I bid and I won by artist Jocelyn Lewis. This is another piece I picked up at the auction by artist Jonathan Kimble. I love it. As y'all know, I really am into jazz and music and culture, and this is like all of it, all in one piece. Beautiful. The last piece I got from my art day was this beautiful wood piece. This is a piece of wood, mixed media by Sylvia Leawell. Also, there are real shells on there. How cool. And real African print clothing. When I saw this at the auction, I just knew I wanted it. The colors vibrant, the wood, the everything. If you like this type of content, be sure to like and subscribe. See you soon.